Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an O2 sensor on a Ford Explorer. First, ensure your engine is cool to the touch. Next, gather your tools. You'll need an O2 sensor socket, a ratchet, and possibly a jack, and jack stands for easier access. Having a new O2 sensor ready is also crucial. This simple replacement can significantly improve your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. Now, let's find that sensor. Depending on your Ford Explorer's engine, there might be one or more. They are usually threaded into the exhaust pipe, either before or after the catalytic converter. Once you've located the correct sensor, carefully disconnect its electrical connector. Most connectors have a small tab you press to release them. Take your time to avoid damaging the wiring. With the connector unplugged, it's time to remove the old sensor. Use your O2 sensor socket and ratchet to loosen it. It might be a bit tight, so apply steady pressure. Once removed, take your new sensor and apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to its threads. This prevents future seizing. Hand thread the new sensor into place, then use your socket to tighten it securely, but do not over-tighten. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new O2 sensor, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. If you have an OBD-ROMAN 2 scanner, now is a good time to clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes. Finally, take your Ford Explorer for a short test drive. This allows the vehicle's computer to recognize the new sensor and confirm everything is working correctly. Enjoy your improved engine performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.